Hey YouTube, how's it going? If anybody's watching this video, I appreciate you. If you are watching this video, leave a comment or whatever, I appreciate it. I'm going to show you my absolute favorite Mizutani scissors. These are the Sword D17. I'm too used to them, guys. I could sit here at the damn dinner table and spin them, and these are just, that's why I just can't. I'm in love with these. I'm in love with these for several reasons. The Sword D17s I could talk so good about. No nano powdered metal. Just the steel that they use. Whatever steel that is, it's absolutely amazing. It's just a beautiful, this is like for a gun enthusiast, this is an AK-47. You will not destroy it. I could take these and throw these in a pair of sand, come out and clear off all the stuff and start working and cutting. I could throw these in an ocean and pull them out and cut. I could do anything with these. And you want me to tell you why? Look, is because these are the most traditional scissors. Let me show you up close. Look, guys, those have the screw right there. Those also, look at these have the screw right here. These just, the metal they use is beautiful. I had these sprayed in gold. And so not in real gold, but in whatever the beautiful material that they use. It must be almost a carbon gold then, I guess. And God, is it great. And so you have these scissors right here that are absolutely amazing. I love these scissors. And so when I say they're not nano powdered metal, they're not. The nano powdered metal are very sensitive scissors, and they have to, the nano powdered metal have to be cared for, wiped down properly. They can't really get water on them. They're very sensitive. These are equally as good and not sensitive at all. So to get back to these and to just say something real quick, guys, just to say something real quick, if I were any barber or any women's stylist, but forget about that, let's say barber. That's what we're here for. If I was any barber at all whatsoever in the whole entire world, I would buy a pair of Sword D17s in whatever size that you desire. These ones right here is 6.7. I love them, and I'm in love with them, and they're amazing to swing. The 6.7 I'm just so used to. In my heart of hearts, I would go down to a 6.2 Sword D17 would be the ultimate pair that you could ever have. And if you like them bigger and a little bit longer, then you can go the 6.7s like I have. I would like these in a pair of 6.2s. To be honest, with the company and everything, I wanted to get these in. They do an engraved pair of the Sword D17s, and they're engraved by hand. I wanted those in 6.2. They told me they had them in 6.7, and I could have bought them in 6.7 at the time. I really wanted them in 6.2. And so I'm just saying, but as an all-around scissor, these are just so durable. I mean, I could come in, they turn like this, watch, look. So nice and loose. I'll get it looser, touches the bottom. Go up one tighter. Doesn't quite touch the bottom, go up one. Goes right there. Look, I'm telling you, the ergonomics of these, they're unmatched. Their nano powdered metals could never do this. And their nano powdered metals are elite. I'm just saying, as you tweak their nano powdered metal, their little screw thing with the tool, and it starts to go here, after you cut for a while, eventually it'll hit the bottom, or they're amazing. They're just, there's nothing more consistent than this. Nothing in the world can top this scissor. Nothing could top the nano powdered metal because they're nano powdered metal. Nobody else can use nano powdered metal, so they win. But I'm going to tell you, these right here, for the person that doesn't have all the money to toss on nano powdered metal and all these crazy prices of scissors, these ones right here, I think are only $1,000 or $900, and these are the best. And so these are their most, I wouldn't say most affordable, because they have other shears that are a little bit more affordable. I'll do videos on all of them eventually. But in my opinion, these are like their center-based price of their scissor, and these are the best. There's no way you could go wrong. These will last you a lifetime. Look, I bought these in barber school, and every day I would cut myself. Every day I was cutting myself. I was like, I'm nobody, I'm nothing. I wasn't worth shit. I was like, but I really, look, I got these scissors tattooed on me somewhere. I don't know which arm they're on. They're probably on this arm back here. Who knows? Who cares? I got a ton of tattoos. Here goes the thing though. I'm not joking with you. When I say this is the cool part, I swear to God on everything. When I bought these scissors right here, look, when I found Mizutani in 2015, I bought these scissors. And they were just too good for me. Even, I got to be honest with you, they were so amazing. They were so good. I loved them. I had these scissors right with me. I slept with them. I put them up. I vowed to have these. When I bought these shears right here, I bought them and I kept them right with me. I had them in the sheath. They were mine. It was like that's how I learned to flip them, guys. Because I'm just these belong to me. And so these are my scissors. And I love these scissors. These are the most, these are most dear to my heart. I have a collection that's out of this world. I don't need to tell you how great it is. These are dear to my heart. I love the Sword D17s. I bought these in Damascus. I have them in the double swivels. I mean, I have them, you know what I mean? I have 3 pairs of them. I might have 4. I love these scissors. Something about me gravitates to these scissors. And I love all of their scissors equally because they put the passion and time and energy into their scissors. That's why I'm a distributor for them. I love the Sword D17s. Nothing in the world is better than a pair of Mizutani scissors. I swear to God on Jesus Christ as my witness. These scissors mean everything to me. And I love you, Mizutani. I love these scissors. I love what they done. Guys, I wish I was able to make a pair that was really super affordable for you guys. And I wish everybody in the world was able to have a pair. I love these scissors. If I ever stop cutting hair, I'll give all of my scissors away. And so I love these scissors. And anyway, guys, Sword D17s are the best scissor in the world. There ain't a better scissor that's around. These are the best. But overall, Mizutani, the brand, best scissor company in the entire world. Nobody could touch them. Sword D17s, I love you. These, if you unscrew them all the way, the 2 shears will come apart. And that's what will happen. Look, I'll do it for you. Look, I'm unscrewing it all the way. I'll do it for you. Look, this comes off. Look, I took it off. This comes right apart. There is a component in here, and it's like a washer bearing thing, and it goes in here. And so those will be in there. They come apart. I would never in a lifetime have it. They have a couple of washers in here, but I mean, you could clean them. Remember how to put them back together. It's real simple, and you just come back here and you pop them right back together, and that's it. And I don't remember if you're supposed to screw them in open or closed, but we could try to screw them in closed, see what happens. I don't care, guys. You know what I mean? I love these scissors, and they mean everything to me. Cool. And they're screwed back in, and there it is. Awesome. I appreciate everything you guys do. I want you to have a wonderful evening, and go get yourself a pair of Mizutani scissors. If you want them from me, DM me. I'll sell them to you. I'm on the website as a distributor, and or you could buy them from Mizutani.com. Do as you wish. I'll probably give you a better deal, so hope you get them from me. And awesome, guys. I hope you subscribe to my channel.